Hello students, welcome to Odeon Learning. I am Saroj Kumar Mukherjee, your English teacher. Today we are going to learn from your standard 8th English book. The topic is Biju Patnaik and his Dakotas. Lesson 8. Look at the picture. This is the picture of Biju Patnaik. Who is the man in the picture? The man in the picture is Biju Patnaik. What do you know about him? तुमे तांको विषय रे कौन जानिछ? We know about him that he was a pilot and also a politician, and he became the chief minister of India. कारण से जे जने पायलट थिले ता नुहे से जने राजनीतिज्ञ भी थिले से ओडिशार मुख्यमंत्री हेथिले. Can you guess from the picture the meaning of Dakota? ये जो पिक्चर देखो डाकोटा, डाकोटा मीन्स an एयरक्राफ्ट. डाकोटार अर्थ होची युद्ध विमान, एयरक्राफ्ट. बिजू पट्टनायक वाज बोथ ए पायलट एंड पॉलिटिशियन. बिजू पट्टनायक एकाधार थिले उभय जड़े विमान चालक आउ जड़े राजनीतिज्ञ. कैन यू गेस फ्रॉम द पिक्चर एंड द title of the topic what the lesson will be about? Biju Patnaik as a pilot, politician, daredevils, risk taker, ... तो एकाधार रे सी सबुर अधिकार थिले. तेणु चलो तांको विषय रे पुंखानुपुंख जानिबा. तो हियर who is the man in the picture? I only write the answers in single word. Biju Patnaik. Then what do you know about him? He was a pilot and a politician. Can you guess from the picture of the meaning of Dakota? Dakota means एयरक्राफ्ट, युद्ध विमान. तो पिला माने आमे जो तीन टा क्वेश्चन पचरा जाइथिला तार आंसर आमे करिदेले.